Mentorship is one of the most powerful tools for personal and professional growth. It can change the course of your career in ways you never imagined. Today, I want to share how mentorship transformed my own career. At the beginning of my career, I faced many challenges. I was unsure about my path, lacked confidence, and often felt lost when making decisions. I had skills, but I didn't know how to apply them effectively. That was when I found a mentor. A mentor is someone who has experience and knowledge, and they guide you through your journey. My mentor provided me with honest feedback and shared valuable advice. They helped me see my strengths and pointed out areas where I could improve. This guidance was essential in helping me build my skills. Mentorship is more than just advice. It is about building a relationship based on trust and learning. My mentor not only helped me with technical skills but also taught me how to communicate better, how to handle difficult situations, and how to stay motivated even when things got tough. One important lesson I learned was the value of setting clear goals. My mentor encouraged me to define what I wanted to achieve and create a plan to reach those goals. This gave me direction and helped me focus my efforts. Thanks to mentorship, I gained new opportunities. I was introduced to people in my industry, got access to projects that challenged me, and received support when I needed it most. This opened doors that would have remained closed otherwise. Mentorship also helped me build confidence. Knowing that someone experienced believed in me gave me courage to take risks and step out of my comfort zone. This confidence was a turning point in my career. If you are at the start of your career or feeling stuck, finding a mentor can make a big difference. Look for someone who inspires you, who has the knowledge you want to gain, and who is willing to invest time in your growth. Remember, mentorship is a two-way street. Be open, ask questions, listen carefully, and be ready to learn. The relationship will grow stronger when both sides are committed. In conclusion, mentorship transformed my career by providing guidance, support, and new opportunities. It helped me grow not only professionally but also personally. The power of mentorship is real, and it can help you achieve your dreams. Start your mentorship journey today and see how it can change your life.